Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to easily transfer files or backup data from iPhone or iPad devices to Windows 10 or 11 computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Store application and just search for one application named as Apple Devices, and you will see here Apple Devices. Just click on it. As I have already downloaded and installed it, so you were seeing here open since I have already installed it. Now just click on open. Now you will see this kind of user interface. So you can see here clearly mentioning that connect your Apple device to get started. So now just using your Lightning or Type-C cable, just connect it with your respective Windows computer. So now it's detecting. So finally you can see here the various options you're gonna get. So on the left side you can see your iPhone name, and at the bottom various options like general, music, movies, TV shows, photos and files. So under the general you will see here you can check for updates just by clicking on check for updates. So you can see in my case I'm using the latest iOS version. So using this software also you can check for updates, you can restore iPhone, and you can see the backup options. So you can do a backup, you can backup all the data on iPhone to this computer. You can use an encrypted local backup. You can see here last backup to this computer. I have already done a backup using this software. You can just click on manage backup. You can select and delete also if you have older backups also that you don't need, and you can restore backup also from here, or you can backup now. And at the bottom you will see more options like configure stability. You can use some options here. As you can see here various options like use voiceover, zoom, smart invert, speak auto text, use mono audio, so closed captions when available. You can use those options also. And last is the reset warnings here. And at the bottom you will see here sync option. You can click on this sync to sync the respective image or data, everything. And on the left side if you click on this music, you can just sync the music that you have in your respective iPhone or iPad devices, as well as the movies, TV shows, photos. So if you want to sync the photos, you can just select the first option as you can see at the above, and you can select the respective folders also, pictures or whichever folders you want. And once you select, you can see below apply. You can just click on apply. Now it's starting to backup. Wait for a few seconds. So finally the syncing has been completed. Now you can see on the left side the last option is files. Now you can get the various applications that you have installed on your respective iPhone devices. Say if you have downloaded some files on your Chrome, just click on it. Now you can see here I have some files like a screenshot which is being downloaded or saved inside this Chrome application. So if you want to copy this file, then just drag it on your Windows computer desktop screen. So you can see we have copied it. So similarly you can do the same thing with the other application also. If there is a file inside the application, then you can just click on it and you can just select the respective file that you want to copy or transfer to your respective Windows computer. So these are the various options you're gonna get inside this application, and using this application named as Apple Devices, you can easily transfer files or backup data from iPhone or iPad devices to Windows 10 and 11 computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.